Yeah, yeah. Well, just you wait.
I fucked
There will
up
be
the
a
zip line.
moment. Damn it. See.
I think I did at least. Maybe I didn't. Oh no, it's the next one. I think I fucked up.
Boogity,
Yeah,
boogity,
no, I
boogity,
put these
boys.
ones
Let's
up.
go racing.
I think I put it a little too low. Yeah.
Yeah, it's definitely a bit low.
Oh wait, no, I want to just pick this up.
Dude,
What? I can't remember which hotkey my fucking zip line.
Damn it, brother.
Is that the drop? That was before the drop?
I'm on my period and I'm breaking out. Unta, 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 unta.
There's no way there's a song that goes like there's no way.
Is there?
mean-
I'm almost... It is possible.
But I've heard everything though, like so I wouldn't doubt it. I feel
That's
like
the
I've heard
thing.
every
Bryce,
cut,
Bryce.
You know, I don't know what it's called, like a cut line. Is that what you call it? Like, what do you call that? Like a punch tag
well,
or like
we
what do you
used
Just like
to
a
call it,
vocal break?
Yeah, just like a little vocal
A
before
fill?
the
Vocal
turnaround
fill?
or whatever for the drop. Yeah,
Yeah.
vocal fill.
think so? Okay. Makes sense.
Also, Bryce
It's
would
kind
love
of, it's like
Rap now.
it's like an ad lib, but it's different, you know? Like
You
the
can
ad
use
lib
an ad lib
is
as
It's-
a vocal fill.
I
yeah,
don't.
exactly. You can use an ad lib as a vocal fill, but it's not
Not
quite.
every vocal fill is an ad lib.
It's
Is an ad lib.
exactly.
Sometimes the vocal fills a bar, you know, like.
Oh, they say it's
Ooh.
like alright. So for like rap, it's like a producer tag.
Well, no, that's like
That's just like saying your name.
Yeah,
DJ
that's
this is
yeah.
used.
Well, that's just like that's something that's used like every beat that they make. You know, they'll like typically
Yeah,
throw
this
something
is used
like
as an
on there,
element.
you know? Damn, son, where'd
Okay.
you find that?
Yeah,
you know,
and this
that
is like
guy
an
or whatever,
element of the
like, that's-
beat.
Yeah, this
Oh,
is like
okay, okay.
yeah, this is a
That reads,
part
that
of
reads.
every. Yeah, it's different in every song, or whatever.
You could just be like a
Bryce, like,
phrase
"Shut up,
or
you
a
nerds."
fucking meme. Yeah, he's like, I don't care, I understand. Also, I lost
You
my wood.
Start up the retard gallery. Wait, what?
I think all my wood floated downstream.
Damn, you need Viagra?
Yeah, I need for hymns.
Lost your
Wood floating
You need some
downstream?
for hymns.
For hymns.
I think we should sleep. My care.
Well, I'm all fucking geeked off these cocaine energy bars that I fucking filled my
Oh,
pockets with.
good thing when you wake
It's okay.
up, you will still be very high off of those.
Nice. Okay, I'm coming. It's dark and scary, dude. I'm actually scared.
Bryce, are you gonna get in here,
Huh?
Christian? Or sorry,
Bri-
I meant to say passing you.
Where?
Don't play Sons of the Forest with us. It's cool. We don't have that much time anyway.
Oh shit.
Oh
They-
no, man, I'm addicted to some Tarkov.
Yeah, it's
It is
cool.
Gotta
addicting.
grip on me.
Yeah, I
It's a
am
habit
addicted.
for me.
No, this is gonna be. Give me 1 second.
Dude, for some reason I was looking at Rust again. I was like, ooh, and I was like, don't you dare. It's the fucking
Nah, dude,
ring
I
from
can't
the
even
Lord of the
do it
Rings.
anymore. That guy
I don't think
fucking
so
ruined
either.
it For me, he fucking came in there and just ruined it. He made me want to be a bad guy.
Damn, full LED, dude. We're fucking beating back the savages. We're bringing Christianity to this land. We got a nice, good Catholic fort going on here. Someone's not sleepy time.
Thing is,
Anywhere you wanna try back at over there at Lighthouse?
Yeah, we can go back.
The Jacob box is going to be more Jacob than ever for you.
I gotta mark hell shit. Done.
Oh, there's my pot still trapped
Which one do you
between
have to
space
do
and
on
time.
Lighthouse? Like, what are you trying to do on Lighthouse? I want to see if I have the same.
I'm gonna mark the.
Oh, we're being attacked,
Thing.
fellas.
BRDMs.
Yeah,
Like it's like revision.
PMs
Lighthouse.
and everything. Yeah.
Yep. Let me go grab 4 of those bad boys real quick.
Ferrets are cool. Yo, it's daytime already. Where are you guys?
I'm fucking outside trying to protect the house, but I don't know where my pot went. But then I remembered it's trapped between space and time.
Jared, why are you not out here helping?
I'm getting wood.
Gotta get on bro ass for no reason. Ew.
I can look at my life.
Chili?
I
Like,
can watch
damn,
and
Chili?
see what I'm doing.
Like,
No,
you
dude.
helping.
Dude.
I don't know if I want to join. I may get bullied, man.
No, see, the difference here is you would have already been out here getting it done.
Yeah, John, dude, John.
See, but John, he's
John's a
over
little
here.
lone
He's
wolf
just
sometimes.
fucking getting
Dude,
down
trees,
on all
man.
the resources that he can. Fucking catching the free ride wherever it's available. I get it.
Hey, you saying
I
John's
know.
on EBT, dude?
No.
Oh no.
John's
Actually-
independent, is what you're saying.
He's supplied a lot of his own resources, I will say.
He
I'll
is
give
the
him that.
lumberjack. He's the
Well,
lumberjack.
The lumberjack, he's got a cool log cabin that he built on his own. Very proud of him.
He a
And
lumberjack
it has
skills.
grenades in it.
Oh, so tons
Yeah,
of,
that is some
John's
Ted
very-
Kaczynski shit that we should look out for.
I
so
mean,
you're a very successful individual, is what I'm understanding.
Yeah, I have a
Yeah.
pretty stocked base over here.
I love that.
He's got it together.
I love that, man.
it's just when shit hits the fan, where's Jared?
Like, I'm just not a big fighter, okay? I'm not a big fighter. More of a,
There's a video
like
of
you
him
said,
actually
I
on
mean,
YouTube.
you have hunters and gatherers, all right? Sometimes, you know, not everybody can be both.
Yeah,
Not
not everybody
everybody's
can do
fine.
both.
You do the hunting, you know, I'll do the gathering. It works out.
I respect you at least
That
acknowledge
is how it does work out. that
because
way.
some
That
people won't
works.
acknowledge it. They won't be like,
It's
"Oh,
fine
no,
because we
no."
have a sweet ass babe with a gat and 3 legs. And 3
That's really
arms,
what matters.
So it's all good.
Oh,
Nope,
can you, when you
do
guys
all the
pick me
heavy
up, I
lifting.
stab myself on this side.
Damn it, Jared.
First worksite incident, dude. Now
Ah.
he's just gonna come. Where is he?
He's right there.
Oh,
He's gonna
yeah.
get stabbed again. Oh!
Yeah,
we can't
it's
even
effective.
see it now.
It's an effective
It's
trap. I'm
effective.
sorry.
Here, Jared, hold on. Wait. Catch this. Ah. Here, wait, catch it again. Oh, good one. It
No.
worked. There's a lot of logs out here.
There's so many in the rivers.
I think that we're pretty good. I mean, now we should start just building a bunch of traps out here or something.
Yeah, or we
This
build
game's
another
pretty
wall.
effective. They're not able to fuck with us no more, so.
I might have. Can we have Kelvin build another wall, like an outer wall? Maybe if it's even like a hip height wall. But I can't remember how to place walls.
It's cool. You made like a limb tree.
What tree?
Because you got the leg tree.
Oh, yeah. So, like. Oh, sorry. Here, go on. No? Good. You know what we should just do is build another fucking tower right here. That's what I'm doing. I'm building one right here. Don't care. Ooh, a foldable glider holder. We need to go get the glider.
Oh yeah, let's go hit this one of these caves. There's a fucking cave we can take a zip line basically all the way to.
Is that the glider cave?
I guess I don't know.
Well,
You can look up the glider cave. There's also a fucking, I guess there's a chainsaw cave at some point.
another lookout tower. Can you build it on the house? Can we build a lookout tower off the top of the fucking house? Yes. You guys ready for this? No, we can't. Oh, yes, we can. Oh. My overall follower count. What are you watching over there?
I guess the night vision goggles cave is the cave that I'm talking about, I guess. Oh, the chainsaw is near us. But we need the maintenance key card. Do we have the maintenance key card?
I feel like I did grab a key card somewhere.
Oh, I think we missed. Because do we all have that Parallel Universes book?
I don't think I have. I have.
Yeah, I do. We might have missed the chainsaw then.
Okay, here we go. I think that this will work. You guys want to help me assemble this?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, we fucking... we gotta go get that chainsaw. Sweet. Is it on the top here? Can I throw shit up to you? And you wanna just throw it on it?
Oh wait, you could do the zip line. You could probably zip line.
Oh, yeah.
Hold on, wait. Insane.
This overhang thing is pretty sick.
Especially if you fall down.
I'm so sorry.
Just
That was
a
bad
whole
timing.
tree right to the
Yeah.
spot.
It was like one hit you, then the next one, it just was perfectly timed enough to get you again. I'm throwing them much out.
You can go.
Uh-oh.
I sleep too. This one?
Mm-mm. I'm here. I'm waiting in the lobby for you.
Get your markers.
Did I hit one of you? Sorry. Who was it?
I think we need like 4 of them.
Yep, for that one. That task.
Did it roll off and get you?
Dude,
Were
I
you
don't
up
know.
there?
I didn't see
Do
it.
you also
Think you
have
did.
That one stood straight up. That was cool.
I still gotta do
Energy-
Seaside
Energy
Vacation.
Crisis
Yep.
for mechanic?
You want to do
We
that
can
one
hit
too?
That one also. Yeah.
All right, let me grab another 4.
So close.
I want to do the one on streets also. I want to get that helmet.
All right, brother, let's do it.
Keeping the man waiting. What's your middle name, Cassidy?
Ray.
Really?
What's up?
Ah, that's
Oh.
my sister's middle name.
Really?
Yeah,
Yeah, that's my uncle.
nice. Jacob Ray Pasadena. Okay. I've never heard Ray used in any other context other than with my sister's last name. So that's What's your dad's middle name?
I think it's
Wait,
David.
Is his first name Kip? Is it actually Kip?
Yep. Yeah, it's
Yeah.
actually Kip. Just Kip.
Yeah.
Not short for anything.
Just Kip. Yeah.
Not short for anything.
So great, dude. That is a good. That's a solid name. Easy to remember, you know.
Yeah. His middle name is actually Dwayne.
Kip Dwayne.
Kip Dwayne. Dude.
Dwayne.
Kip Dwayne
Six
Bentley.
shooter for
Yep.
sure.
Dude, that's a fucking
Dwayne
good.
Cassidy.
They picked a good one to yell at him for when he's misbehaving as a kid.
Yeah. When he's acting up.
All right, so now we need.
I'm gonna throw some wood up the
Just-
fucking.
Just
Oh,
need a couple half logs.
all the wood is gone.
Oh, there's not.
No,
There's
just
two.
not. I thought there was the pile out here, because I was just gonna start sending it so it goes into the holder, because the jump's getting harder.
Oh, yeah. I got that. I only need one more. Or like 2 more. 3 actually, sorry. Damn it. Yeah, this should be good. There we go. Boom.
Nice.
Actually, we need a couple more for the floor.
Here,
Third.
catch it from here.
Oh,
Not a chance, huh? Damn it.
not a chance. That one worked.
There we go. There we go.
Okay, so. Oh, yeah. Nice. Okay, yeah, we. All right, we're good. Now we have a tower.
Oh yeah, how do I get my pan out of the oven?
I usually just open the oven, grab a pair of oven mitts, and grab it out.
Damn it. Because it's stuck between space and time here, though, which is the issue.
Oh. You didn't think of grabbing the oven mitts?
No, no, it's. I don't think it's gonna solve this one. As much as I wish it would.
All right. Here. Here's another one.
Wait,
It's
wait, I
insane
did it.
that
It worked.
You got it?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
All right. So no
Okay,
more
so
putting
there-
it on that fire pit. We're gonna let this
Yeah.
fire burn out. I would just go build a fire outside. Cook out here.
Yeah, because that was
Like,
tragic.
there's a fire right here.
Shit.
Bryce, what's your middle name?
Michael.
Michael. All right. Strong.
Like it.
You know,
Bible name.
strong middle name. Is it Bible name?
That's what old people always say to me when they ask me my name. At least when I was working at Conrad's, they'd be like, "That's a good Bible name," and I'm like, "All right,
All right. Yeah.
Nice.
Sure.
thank you."
Thank you. Yeah, you got a fire out there now.
But then my girlfriend told me that
Hell yeah.
she doesn't know why they say that because I think Jacob's one of the people who get killed or kills his sons or something
Yeah,
like
he's
that.
in there. He's in the Bible.
Yeah, but it is a good Bible name.
Yeah.
It's still a good Bible name.
Yeah,
Doesn't matter what you do in the Bible if you're in there.
I guess so. Yeah,
Yeah, he made the leaderboard or whatever.
forgot to
The
bring a
leaderboard
fucking
is
bag
crazy.
in. Need to kill a scav and take his bag.
Okay.
found a
so now
battery
we
and I need
have
that.
a cool tower. There's not
The,
really gonna be much
tank?
benefits of ours.
No, I wish. There's someone.
Should we build another tower over here?
I think he got a bag on him.
We can. I might go hit this maintenance tunnel real quick. I'm gonna go see, because I think it's the blue TV. It's the maintenance
Go
tunnel, right?
collect some shit.
Oh, I think we missed a chainsaw,
Oh, you want
which is kind of
chainsaw?
huge.
Like in one that we went to already?
Yeah, it's at a place we went to. I think it's at this place here. The one that had like that 3D printer in the long hallway.
Okay.
But that's where I thought the fire axe was, right? Let me see if I'm reading this map
Yeah.
right. Maybe this is an old patch.
And I didn't even bring
No.
any of my markers either.
Oh no, it's further.
Damn.
Oh, so it's not that one.
Can't even do this
Mm.
task. I
No,
bought them
it's
all.
right next to the rope gun cave.
Damn, you came in here with nothing.
It's kind of upsetting. Maybe we just come up and hit the houses and then come back in here. You know what I mean?
That's cool.
That sounds good.
Do we
Go
have
up
the
there, hit
maintenance
these
key card?
houses, and then come back to shoreline.
Alright, I'm trying to figure out where it is on the map here.
Yeah, I got the maintenance key card.
Man, I fucked up so bad. We have to put the tree perches over here. These ones feel so unsafe.
Really?
It's a valley.
They're
Oh,
just
we
so
gotta go back more.
vulnerable. You land right on the ground, and then bam, there's
I
some
guess-
fucking stalker.
Yeah. I realize it's probably better to use the like smaller, cheaper ones too. The other ones really just I guess it is this cave. That's what this map's saying. Let's see if it's real or not.
What do you mean the other cheaper ones? Oh yeah, like the for the
Well, This
Yeah,
yeah,
the
the
metal.
smaller squares. For the platforms.
yeah.
You're up too high, Bryce. Never mind. You'll be able to get down over here, actually. Keep coming straight.
Oh, well, this shit respawned.
Nice.
Oh, the solar
let me get the
panels.
Resin. Ooh, all the. We don't even need the freaking solar panels. The lights are nice if they want to add more lights and wire. So there ain't shit for fucking here.
Wait, come down to the. Have we been in here already?
Oh yeah, this is the key card access. Yeah, no, we need to go. I opened it already. And then I stopped because I didn't want to go in there because I was like waiting for you basically.
This is scary.
Whoa, look at this guy huddled up dead. That's scary.
Where's Chon?
Oh, sorry, I'm still playing with the 3D printer.
Whoa, it's devastating. Whoa, there's a mutant over here on the left. Whoa, there's more mutants over there too.
You good?
Oh yeah, there's a couple of them.
No, there's mutants everywhere.
That's not good. Yeah, still back there behind that dumpster.
Oh, it's nice workout equipment. Oh my gosh, whoa, there's a big one.
I'm just like contact.
They've been glued up. Oh shit, dude, we're chilling.
Hold on, you got a baby coming up on you. Or some kind of creature.
Where you at, Bryce?
Over
In
at
this
this
house?
other house. The house where I killed this scab at.
Around me.
Yeah, that's not me.
I picked up the tracksuit, but I can't wear the tracksuit. That's awful.
Whoa. There's a creature that I haven't exactly seen over here. Or no, it's the centipede thing.
Speak a little Chinese for him, Derek.
There's
Good.
potentially multiple of the centipedes. Are you guys over here?
I think so.
Yeah.
We're
That's
at
what I'm
least
talking
sort of
about.
near you.
It's right here. There's one. It's not the centipede. It's like a spidery thing, but not a spider. Either.
Ah,
I think I'm in the same building as you. I'm just hanging out downstairs.
I missed. Another one.
If I had any food or drink, let me know. I need some. I found some.
There's some Louis Vuitton purses and Michael Kors.
I got some food.
I
I have
need
food,
drink
nothing.
Damn, you're
now.
big pimpin'.
Here, take this juice, apple juice.
Buy me.
Are you down or something, Jerry? Are you
I
wearing?
mean, I don't need it right exactly yet. We got PMCs.
Whoa. Whoa. What's this water?
find that chainsaw, brother.
Oh yeah, chainsaw. Sorry. Oh, cool. Oh, here's the door with the key card
You
access.
said PMCs?
Yo, found the
Beep, boop, beep,
chainsaw.
boop.
Nope, it's a guitar shoved down this guy's throat.
Oh
running
man,
up me.
That's insane. And a
they made it
vinyl
rain on him.
on the ground.
Oh, a lot of money.
Oh, some
Mhm.
alcohol, a little bit of booze. We boozing.
Let's head to the next
This is some sick, twisted
One.
shit, brother.
Oh, I already
so much
looted
money.
this one.
I'm at like the ones up this hill.
Oh, bet. My fault. my
Loot all
fault.
these guys. I don't know.
No, I didn't really look through a lot of them.
Ah man.
Sounds like the
Nice.
boss is up here.
I'm stuck.
Hope so.
Whoa.
Oh, key card and pills.
Nice. Nice. Main ingredients of higher living.
Okay, so that was everything we needed. Let's go into that other room.
Oh, so
Whoa.
bright.
Oh man, terrible aim.
Oh, I found the dossier room.
Whoa, what?
You got the, I don't know, there's computers, there's dossiers.
You found a dossier?
I mean, there's at least an email that says, keep an eye on Gianu. Puffton thinks he may be losing it. Signed, Hank. So, I mean, there's like,
Yeah,
you know,
well,
Bags real quick just in case.
and there's all these
Yeah,
crates.
Puffton lost it for sure. We already got Puffton and his lady.
No, well,
This
no,
is Puffton.
no, Gianu. Puffton thinks Gianu is losing it, so. But
How about
Puffton
Mag?
is also losing it. Like he has lost it.
They at least became monsters. This fucking thing's still not dead, dude.
What are you looking for?
I missed.
Do you
3
find
arrows
anything
from
important we
point
should come
blank
back
range.
for?
You said a bag?
Mag. A magazine for my gun.
Oh,
There's this thing that might like advance the plot in this room over here.
Okay.
It's like the key, you know, like the whole the site map.
I found it though.
The computer.
Okay. I officially.
I just found a secret. There's a secret note here that gives you like some sort of code.
should I throw a nade?
Whoa.
Yep.
I couldn't see.
It looked like you just poured it on him. It didn't even look like you hit him with it. Oh, it activated the sprinklers. That's cool. Oh, I mistimed that. I mistimed that.
You can take the armor. Whoa.
I
There's
think I might have
babies.
taken an arrow by accident.
You can take the arrows too.
Thank you. I'm gonna put this armor on.
Oh.
Guys, I'm in a cutscene and I'm
What?
scared.
It's not safe
You're in
here.
a
You're running out of
cutscene.
time.
Yeah, like went down
It's
a
gonna happen
hallway.
again. You have to leave.
I'm watching Edward Puffton. He said I'm in a cutscene and I'm scared. Oh, I see.
Yeah, I go
Oh
this
no,
way.
Jared, you're about to fight Puffton.
Are you really?
I don't know. I'm not in a cutscene.
Yeah, I didn't get into a
It was pretty
cutscene
much
either.
just a guy who was alive and a normal person. He's like, "We gotta get out of here, man." That was pretty much it. And he ran down this way.
And you went all the way through here?
He ran this way, yeah.
How he got out.
I don't know where he went.
I don't know if this takes us to the chainsaw. It might. Wait, should we go explore the rest of that before we go in here?
Probably, yeah.
This seems like how
Hey,
you
missing
get out.
cargo's in here. Did you ever grab that?
Where at?
I think.
Oh
we
yeah, I
kind of
found that
already
when I was
did
playing solo
explore it
once
all,
actually.
but-
Oh, did we?
Yeah, because this was just like
Think
a
that-
movie theater, wasn't it?
I think this is where the
Alright.
chainsaw is.
Yeah.
Well, Chun, your lumberjack dreams have come to fruition.
What was this guy doing? Just sitting here watching a movie with a chainsaw?
No, he got
No,
chainsaw.
he was probably watching the movie without the chainsaw.
Yeah. I have a feeling the chainsaw got left here.
Uninvited
Does anyone else
guest.
see this baby breakdancing?
Yeah. Well, no, not technically breakdancing, but it's just a
Yeah.
foot.
All right,
Oh,
let's
it's
get
just a
out of here and
foot?
grab your
It's
things.
a half a baby for me.
Yeah, I just see its foot and leg.
Crazy.
More spots I want to check real quick.
Yo, did you get the? Oh yeah, you did.
That was crazy.
Whoa! Watch out! I'm not trying to chainsaw my homie.
Hold on, maybe
Jared,
go to
wrong
this.
way.
Go to the computer you guys skipped.
There's a
Maybe I'll hit
computer.
it and that'll be it for all of us. I don't know.
Yep, see that back.
Gosh, going from that hallway to this is insane.
I'm going back
Yeah,
to,
why do
to
you use such
do the thing on the
crazy
computer.
lighting?
I think it's to like blind you on purpose. I think it's to make the room scarier when you walk into it.
Right, so I'm heading up these steps.
What
Yep.
are you trying to do with the computer?
It's
Was there some
somewhere
resin
around
Check
there?
this
There was a
building
whole
real
other-
quick.
There was some gear, and there was some loot,
Whoa.
and there was like a computer with a map on it. I think it might have been this way,
Was it over there?
somewhere back here.
No, that's back where we came from.
I know it was back where we came from. It was straight ahead right here. Cause I used the key card to open this room too. And then we have this. Yeah, new location.
you should
discovered,
go.
Maintenance bunker B.
Yeah, there we go.
You ready to hit it?
Nice.
Yeah.
Thank you, John.
Really getting out there on this one, Jared. Saw you fire like 10 arrows.
Yeah.
Looked good.
Well, I have arrows
What?
now.
This man.
Might as well shoot him.
He's burying his arms.
I have the right.
Oh, I also found out how to like make
Alright,
the electric
we can
shock
go to side tunnel.
arrows.
Wait. Am I going the wrong way? Yeah.
There was not a printer in here though, so that's bullshit.
Yeah, there's a printer somewhere.
Well, whatever, we don't
Back
need it.
there.
Let's go.
I printed a
go
mask,
hit
but I
the
don't know what it
scary
does.
Actually, want to stop with this helicopter up here. There's something I gotta get.
Can't wear it.
Oh, I gotta do something here too.
Oh, that looks like something you wear and it scares them away or something. You hold it up to your face.
Oh, yeah. I think, yeah, I'm not sure how that works. Maybe it only works on some, but
Yeah.
I remember at some point that it would work, and then I remember it not working the further you got
Maybe for
in.
the red guys. The only one that works on the red guys.
Maybe,
Oh, it's just
maybe.
here, maybe.
That might actually
Take a
work
look
on
at
the red guys. Yeah.
Yeah. They think we're one of their Fucking homies.
task is it? We already do this one.
It's gotta be missing cargo. Cause I have to locate the plane and I have to turn this folder in.
Okay. Did you find the folder?
Yeah. I got the folder at the house.
Oh, okay, and you just had to find. Okay.
Oh, we're back here.
That makes
So it's
sense.
through here.
Because I had no idea how I found the folder.
We went the wrong way.
And I
'cause
just
it
randomly found it.
at
was so complicated.
It's a complicated
Oh.
cave system, dude.
Did you get drink and food?
Baby.
Probably
Sorry,
need
the kiddo.
Oh
drink.
man, you guys
And a
can go
drink.
right also. You went to the left.
Oh, I bucked off. Oh, okay.
Oh,
So does it all
okay.
just intersect here?
Yeah. Wait a minute.
Oh, I went
Oh,
right
wait.
and now I'm trapped.
Oh, way to go, Jared.
He's up here. He went up here.
Get untrapped.
Yeah, why are you
Folder
trapped?
Here.
Don't go right because you'll fall down. I mean, I can get outside, so I don't know.
Guess we didn't find anything.
But if you go right, you won't be able to make it. There's like a big hill thing. You won't be able to make it back up.
Let me see if we can keep
Oh,
going
yeah,
that way on the
this is
map.
how we got out then, probably. Yeah. Whoa.
Oh, what the heck? We're at my house.
Oh, nice. See?
Actually,
So that's that hole. So it was an exit to a cave, but not one we've been to.
Nice. It's safe up here
So
in
if
the
you want any
bunker.
items, I got some items. So got plenty to work with here. We got some more zip lines. Got a lot of zip lines. Use those.
Nice. It's always a good area. Just come on down.
Good place to run
Yeah,
away
you
to
got
if
a
the
lot
whole
of
base gets
Shelves
taken
up
over.
here. Did you put all the shelves up here like this? That's nice.
It
Yeah.
is a good bug out base, you know, like
Yeah,
if it
he's
gets
way
too
over
crazy.
there, but I don't know where he went. He fell. Must have fell off.
Where's the zip line at to go back to base?
I think it's on the ground.
It's like kind of on like the bottom rectangle thing.
Oh yeah, I see it. Aw. What? We got
What?
fucking trees in the way.
Uh-oh. I got past it somehow. Oh, because it's probably right as
Really?
you cut it down.
Yeah, that's insane. Man, some of these trees get close. Ooh, if you hit it just right, you don't even have to touch the ground before you can be on both zip lines.
Really?
Yeah.
That's cool.
you need any decent ammo, Bryce?
Yeah, what you got over there?
Got some 5.55
What you
4
selling?
5.45. PP. Just dropped him on the ground.
Fire go out in there?
Get
Thanks.
both of them.
No.
I don't know.
Taking
Looks like a
forever.
forever fire, dude.
Yep.
260.
No,
Yep.
it's not. It'll go out.
The base looks menacing with the bonfire going.
Damn it.
I did it. I made cream and mushroom soup. Finally.
Bro, the sicko.
I was like, you're just eating a bowl of that.
Damn it.
No, dude, in the game. It's a good
I
meal.
know, I realized that.
I
but-
collected all these fucking mushrooms for it. You guys can fuck off.
Oh, would you rather eat human flesh? A leg?
At that point, I might as well.
Burn cockroaches, I guess.
We were eating cockroaches in that misery game. We were grilling them up.
Grilling Oh.
This just looks. This doesn't look like cream mushroom soup though. It just looks like mushrooms in a pot of water.
You know, it's loosely defined.
I guess so. Oh, it makes me really stealthy if I drink cream of mushroom soup.
Does it really?
It's. I think that's what the little eyeball buff means.
Or does it mean you can see better at night? I don't know.
Maybe it means I can see better at night. Either way, those are both funny. I think those.
Because they really do. Like when your eyes get like all huge, and when you're tripping on mushrooms, like it helps you see at night. I mean, you're also seeing like shapes, which like doesn't help, but
You hold wire
Yeah.
in your hand.
Oh, we're getting attacked. Oh, and it's all creepy crawlies. Hold on.
Okay, let me
Anyone got a fucking grenade on him? Alright, apparently I don't have any ammo on my shotgun.
oh, look out! You're getting attacked.
Yeah, my shotgun's broke.
There might be some ammo back at my base.
No, I have ammo on me. Alright, boys, this is scary.
Dude, they're all big guys.
Thank God for 12 gauge.
I know, dude. I was just thinking, I'm about to have to go get me one of these bad boys. Oh, wait. Dang it. Did either one of you get to harvest one of them?
Yeah, I got one.
I have two. Here. Christian, did you harvest one of them?
No, no.
How many? There's only 3. Here. Sick.
Thank you. Should probably make bone armor too or something.
fucking phone traps absolutely everywhere.
Look at to play this game in the dark.